All right, so on that, and then you can come back with some of the gold and do the lettering. And for that, I take my gold and then right just on top here. So I'll finish off that A, like so. And then we just need to do this one down here in the front. And then we can get to our little dude. How about that?
And you use the alcohol or whatever you just used, the lemon extract, just because it dries faster?
I use the lemon extract because it blends better with the gold. The alcohol usually dries faster than like water or anything, but it doesn't take to the gold very well. This particular gold. So that's why I use the lemon, because the lemon has oil in it. And water doesn't really work well with this either, because it just kind of separates. So.
And I can tell you from sitting here that it actually stinks good.
Yeah, the lemon.
It smells nice. That's nice.
It stinks good.
It stinks good. That's right.
Okay.
That's technical term.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right.
I should have paid more attention in school. That's what I meant.
Oh. Okay, white fondant.
Uh-oh. She said she finds the lemon extract eats through the plastic container.
It can. I've never had lemon do it, but I've had orange extract do that.
Awesome. That's some powerful stuff there.
Yeah, imagine what it's doing to your stomach, huh? It's kind of like, a soda.
Can you use lemon juice?
I don't think so. Lemon juice? I don't think so. But hey, I've never tried it, so never say never.
Okay.
Right? That's how you learn things. Okay, so I'm going to make some eyes here. So I'm going to start with the white. And I've got some light blue in here also. So I'm just going to take a piece of white. And I want it to stay white. So let me just do this. Talk amongst yourselves while I'm cleaning up here.
Oh, they
I've got
are.
red, I've got black, I've got all sorts over here. After you wash your hands, they're still a little damp, so make sure you like touch the cornstarch and really dry them. All right, so take some white, roll it into a ball, and then go this way a little bit, back and forth, and then we're going to flatten it. Okay, this could be one eye. A little bit of water behind it. And do this. And the trick is getting the other one the same. You could use oval cutters too if you don't feel like you want to do it that way. Ball, back and forth this way. Flatten it. Kind of get it in the same shape as that one. Make sure it's the same size. Okay, a little water. And on we go. Then we're going to go to the blue. Okay, and we're going to do the same shape, only smaller. Still out there?
Yep. Watching intently.
All right. This one's a little dry, so let me take a little shortening and mix it in.
Nice. Soon he's going to be able to see.
Okay. Moving on.
Oh,
Hopefully.
can we do a quick question?
Sure.
How many cakes are we dealing with in total?
If you do 9 by 13, you do 9 by 13 too. Yeah, 9 by, it's 6, so 9 by 13, 2 sheet cakes, if they're 2 inches tall. So this is one sheet cut in half, stacked. Same there. Okay?
Excellent.
Yeah, I usually try to, when I do these things, try to work from what you have, sheets and things. Try to get the most out of the sizing.